In this video, I'm going to show you how to find BTCUSD in MT5. Now, the most important thing I have to tell you over here is that it's important you're signed in to a correct broker, because if you're signed in with a broker which doesn't support Bitcoin or BTCUSD trading, you won't be able to find it inside MT5. So let me show you how to check this. First, you want to go to the top left here and click on this symbol list, or press Ctrl and U on your keyboard. And then in here, it's going to open up all the different symbols available with the current broker you're signed in. So for me, it's MT5. I'm currently in the MetaQuotes demo account. I can go to the top to the search bar and type in BTCUSD. And as you can see, nothing pops up because the standard demo account on MT5 does not support it. So what you have to do is basically find a broker, any broker which supports crypto and BTCUSD trading on MetaTrader 5. So you can just go Google that. There's a bunch of different ones. And when you find one that you want to use, you can go and sign up for them, get an MT5 account. And of course, it could be demo or real. It's completely up to you. And then you have to connect it with MT5. And I'll show you right now how to actually find the BTCUSD after you've done it. So if you're not sure how to connect a broker, I have a lot of different video tutorials on my channel teaching you how to do this for specific brokers and for brokers in general. So go watch that first and then come back over here. Once you've connected your broker, you're going to see it under your accounts over here. I have a Traders Way demo over here. I'm just going to connect to my Traders Way account like this. But of course, essentially, if you are new and you want to sign into a new account, go to File, top left, Open Account, find the broker, click on it, Next, and then just basically sign in using the credentials over here. Whenever you've done this, again, go to Symbols, top left, and in here now, as you can see, if I search for BTCUSD, this Traders Way demo account does support it, so I can click on it and click on Show Symbol, and there we go. I can click on OK, and BTCUSD is now over here on the left inside Market Watch. Now, if you can see this, click on View and enable Market Watch to actually show it. Right-click on BTCUSD and click on Chart Window. Whenever you do this, there we go, you have your BTCUSD over here. You've successfully found it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.